Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve 8 ball notifications error. To know how to fix or how to solve 8 ball notifications not found, then you should just go to settings. Then in this page you will enter to this window of apps, default apps, app settings. After that, in this list you will enter to 8 ball. Here in this window of app info you will click for stop and you will click OK. Then here you will enter to storage. After that you click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.